we are. It is lesson 15. I am broadcasting from Kirkland. Mr. Calamaris, Cal, and Georgia are all here, so you might hear some weird things. That is Cal driving his car on the table. Okay, so let's get into, we're going to do one really quick problem tonight. This is lesson 15. This is our last lesson before our celebration of learning. We're going to look at number 3 in our problem set. Let's get into it here. Each costume needs 46 centimeters of red ribbon and 3 times as much yellow ribbon. What is the total length of ribbon needed for 64 costumes? Express your answer in meters. So again, in lesson 15, we are synthesizing all of our learning. We are synthesizing all of the amazing skills and strategies that we've gathered throughout Module 1 and 2, and we're applying it to problem solving. So you guys probably are already realizing the problem solving that we're going to be working on in this lesson and what we're going to be working on in class on Wednesday is going to be multi-step problem solving. So let's go ahead and establish what we are given. So we have 2 different types of ribbon that is needed for these costumes. We have red ribbon and then we have yellow ribbon. We are told that we have 46 centimeters of red ribbon, and then we are told that we have 3 times as much yellow ribbon. So we have 46 centimeters times 3 yellow ribbon. We need to know in the end what is the total length of ribbon needed for 64 costumes. Okay, so first of all, let's figure out how much yellow ribbon we have. Yellow ribbon is 3 times as much as our red ribbon, so we're just going to, it's kind of a tongue twister, we're just going to multiply 3 copies of 46. 3 times 6 is 18. Yep, that's multiplication, buddy. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, so we have 138 centimeters. Each costume needs 138 centimeters of yellow ribbon. Okay. So each costume is going to need red ribbon and yellow ribbon. We know that we're going, yeah, that's the red ribbon, Cal. We know that we have 46 centimeters of red ribbon, and then now we've figured out that we have 138 centimeters of yellow ribbon. So let's figure out total how much ribbon we need per costume. So we're going to add 46 and 138. 6 plus 8, Cal, do you know this one? 14. Arwen, can you tell me what 3 plus 4 is? 7. Thank you. Plus 1 is 8. And then 1. So each, no, this is mine, Cal. Each costume is going to require 184, sorry, Georgie's just about to take a nap, 184 centimeters of ribbon. However, this is what we need to make one costume, but we don't need just one costume, we need 64 costumes. Holy moly. So now what we're going to have to do, wow, Cal's impressed. Now what we're going to have to do is make 64 copies of 184. So let's go for it. 4 times 4 is 16, excuse me. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 is 33. 4 times 1, Kate, thank you, is 4, plus 3 is 7. 6 times 4 is 24, but that's not a 6, it's a 60. 6 times 4 is 24, but 60 times 4 is 240. Carry the 2. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 2 is 50. Thank you, Anna. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. Okay, so let's go ahead and add up those 2 partial products. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4, thank you, Micah, is 7. 7 plus 0, who knows 7 plus 0? Anyone? 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 Madison, thank you, it's 7. 1 plus nothing is 1. 1 plus nothing is 1. Okay, so 64 costumes are going to require 11,776 centimeters of ribbon. That's the red and the yellow ribbon. However, we need to express this answer in meters. Hey, Mr. Calamaris, what's the secret word?
Sounders.
For everyone that Let's try one more time. Cal's whining. What's the secret word, Mr. Calamaris?
Sounders.
Thanks, Mr. Calamaris. Cal's secret sound is whining for choo-choos. We are almost done. So now we need to express our 11,776 centimeters in meters. So we're going to be using our conversions. We need to transfer this to meters. Bless you, George. Hi, so we're just going to use that amazing algorithm that we've been working so hard on. So let's go ahead and unpack. Yikes. Can I undo that? I don't know how to erase yet, so I'm just going to scribble that up. Let's unpack our first line. We're starting with 11,776 centimeters. We know that 11,776 centimeters is 11,776 copies of 1 centimeter. Okay, now we're going to get into the conversion. I'm going to move my equal sign over just a little because I'm going off the page. Second line, we're going to start converting. We have 11,776 centimeters. I'm sorry, I'm not even going to put 11,776 copies of some amount of meters. We are going from centimeters to meters. We need to figure out what fraction of a meter is equal to 1 centimeter. Whatever we have in parentheses on our first line must be equal to whatever we have in parentheses on our second line. There are 100 centimeters that live inside 1 meter. So, in turn, 1 meter is equal to 1/100th. I'm sorry, let me be more clear about this. 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100th of a meter. 1 centimeter and 1/100th of a meter are equal to one another because there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Now all we are left to do is just to multiply. We're going to multiply our top. You can see my text messages coming through. We're going to multiply our top. 11,776 times 1 is 11,776. Are the boys coming over? Okay, you can invite them over. Just pause on the text messages because they're coming through my video. Oh my gosh, it's okay. They are welcome to come over here. Sorry guys, it looks like we're having some friends come over to play with Cal. So I need to get this done quick because our house is about to erupt into chaos. Okay, so 11,776 times 1 is 11,776. Now we're going to multiply the denominators. 11,776 does not have a denominator yet. If we really are having a powerful yearning for it to have one, we can make it 1. Now all we have to think of is 1 times 100. 1 times 100 is 100. Now we have to simplify this. 11,776 divided by 100. Remember, sorry, I'm trying to draw an arrow. Remember this fraction bar is the same as division. It's the same operation. So 11,776 divided by 100 is equal to 117 and 76/100ths. This is in meters. Oops, just meters. Just meters. Okay, so our final answer here, you guys, after all that amazing work, is 117.76 meters. Awesome. Have a great night. Looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow for some amazing adventures in Mathland.